President. I'm deeply concerned by the alarming rise of intolerance and persecution in Pakistan. We're witnessing a systematic campaign to dehumanize and silence specific segments of the population. My father, Imran Khan, has been imprisoned for nearly 1,000 days. He's the primary target of a regime that treats dissent not as political disagreement, but as a grave crime to be crushed. I've not seen my father in over 3 years. He's held in a solitary confinement cell, a cell built for death row inmates. UN experts have warned the inhumane conditions could amount to torture. This is not neglect, it's a deliberate persecution designed to strip a human being of his dignity. The intolerance extends beyond him. Pakistan has expanded its blasphemy laws to impose life imprisonment, and it branded citizens as terrorists, fostering a climate of hatred. We ask this council and the OHCHR to urge Pakistan to end this persecution immediately. They must comply with UN working group's opinion. They must release my father and all political prisoners.